Okay, guys, I believe I've already sent you instructions for this. If not, you're gonna get them by the time you see this video anyway. On how to flip these articles around to use in the grinder without having to rewrite them 2 times for a total of 3, but still be able to get enough unique content that you're not going to, even if there is a duplicate content penalty, which I don't think there is. I know there's a duplicate content filter, but I don't really even think there's a penalty. But obviously, the man that owns Unique Article Wizard thinks that there is. But the way that I've learned how to do this will still give us 30 to 50% uniqueness out of each of our articles from one to the next. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I'm going to take a simple article, solar DIY, do it yourself, and show you how to flip this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's only got 7 paragraphs. How did that slide by me? Let's see. That's not going to use even either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not ideal. Okay, let's see. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay, alright, this one will work. Okay, so we have 8 paragraphs, just like I asked for before. And here is a demonstration on why. We are going to copy and paste, and I'm pretty sure these are all in your directions. I just want to go over it one time. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take the bottom 4 paragraphs, copy. We're going to make those the top 4 paragraphs in the second article. And then we're going to take the first 4, copy. And we're going to make this the second 4. Okay, so now we've got a completely different feel on it, and nobody's going to see this copy anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, we're going to save that. Well, let's go ahead and save this because we won't be doing anything else to it. This is it. This is solar power lights 2. And let's go ahead and save it as such. Copy. Save as. Get this into my briefcase. There we go. Briefcase opener, another computer. Let me get that closed up real quick. And open. We're going to paste it. Solar power lights number 2. Okay, and now we can go ahead and close that out. Let's get number 1 back up, and let's get another notepad. And now simply what we're going to do is make number 8, copy, number 1.